Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke lapha ukuthi uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ulungile-ke lapho-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini nje usubscribe nje, akubizi mali, kumahala nje ocashini yesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke phela khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke ezenzakalayo kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ungakwenza-ke nje lapho ucindezele ibhathini nje usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahala nje ocashini yesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke udaba kulethele lona namhla. Ngilethele-ke ividiyo-ke esalikwazi-ke laphana-ke somlungu besikhipha-ke amaphosta-ke e-ANC na-ke sabanja-ke sase saqoshwa ividiyo-ke sathi-ke ANC is rubbish-ke base basilokhuzela basisongela ngokuthi-ke bazosisa enkantolo-ke. Salikwazi-ke besingenandaba saqhubeka nje sathi i-ANC is rubbish, kodwa-ke angifuni ukuziveza ngempela into engizoyenza nje mina ngidlalela-ke ividiyo-ke yaso-ke lesalikwazi masicela kuwe masebonile-ke le vidiyo lena ungene ema-comment section nje ufike ushiye umbono wakho ngalolu daba-ke lolu-ke mcindezele ibhasi nje usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahala nje ocashini yesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Remove it again. It cannot be right. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. We must find where you guys are. You removed the two there, and now you are removing this one. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
The ANC is rubbish.
But why do you remove it? This must go to court now. I'm gonna send it to the real people. You're gonna go to jail for that. You are going to go to jail for that. You have the DA and the EFF. You're not removing them. You're going to jail now.